Introduction. In this episode, I'll talk about using morph transition in PowerPoint 2016. I choose this topic as PP 2016 is the version available to me and is still used by many people. Initially, I wanted to use the morph transition which some people have introduced, and I found that the morph button is not here. Then I found from YouTube that a file which has morph transition effect can be used in PP 2016. I found the file and also found that what is supposed to be morph transition is just fade transition. This experience is the same as what other people have encountered. After doing some research, I found a solution. In this episode, I'll talk about how to find the file, how to use it, and the extra steps required to make morph transition really work. For the sake of completeness, what others have already said I will mention again, but in brief. How to find the file. Select File, New, then type Animated Title Abstract in the box. The file will show up. After you open the file, there are 4 slides, and the most important one is the second one. I call it the morph effect slide. To simplify it, you may delete the third and the fourth slide, then delete the content in the first and the second slide too. To distinguish the morph effect slide, you may select the second slide, insert a text box and type morph effect slide. Then you can save this simplified file for future use. By the way, the animated title abstract file is not necessary anymore. It is because a simplified template made in the aforesaid way is also available in my Patreon site or other sites. The links can be found in the description part of this video. The difference between a normal slide and a morph effect slide is not obvious. The major feature of a morph effect slide is that, in the transitions menu, no transition is selected, but the preview button is on. When you want morph transition to appear in your presentation, you can copy the morph effect slide to your current PowerPoint file. If you are using a morph effect slide, and then you choose none or the other types of transition in the transition menu, then the slide will lose its morph effect. The effect cannot be directly restored as there is no morph effect button to click. To activate morph effect again, you can just copy another effective morph effect slide to the file. Why is fade transition shown instead of morph transition? Like what some people have mentioned, when I use the morph effect slide, there is no morph transition. Fade transition is shown instead. I investigated the problem and then I found an article from Microsoft. According to the article, for PP 2016 to show morph transition, 5 Office updates must be installed. Without them, PP 2016 will play a fade transition instead. I follow the instructions and install the file updates, then I succeed in activating morph. The link can be found in the description part of this video. In conclusion, if morph effect cannot be used in PP 2016, some possible reasons are: 1. The method used is incorrect. 2. Some updates are not installed. 3. Morph effect slide is changed to none or another transition type. In this video, I have explained how to handle these. Another factor which may be relevant is the version of PP 2016. I discovered that PP 2016 can be classified into subscription and non-subscription version, but only subscription version can import SVG files. Non-subscription version only got updates which fix bugs and security issues, but would not add new features. A similar case is that Excel concat function is supposed to be supported in Excel 2016, but I cannot use it too. So, I'm not surprised if some older versions of PP 2016 cannot play morph transition. That's what I know about making morph transition work in PP 2016. If that still can't work for you, I have no more tricks to offer for the time being. If you are interested in this topic, you can find more information in the description part of this video. Lastly, please like and subscribe. Thank you.